2027 Yezdi Scrambler, the adventure bike everyone is waiting for. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are talking about the exciting 2027 Yezdi Scrambler. If you love adventure motorcycles with classic style and modern performance, then this bike could become one of the most exciting machines in its segment. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more motorcycle content. The Yezdi Scrambler has always been known for its unique design. It combines retro styling with adventure-ready capability. For the 2027 version, we expect the company to continue improving everything that riders already love. From the front, the bike is expected to feature a classic round LED headlight with a protective grille. The tall front fender, wide handlebars, and muscular fuel tank give the motorcycle a strong off-road personality. Every angle of this bike looks ready for adventure. The side profile is equally impressive. Wire spoke wheels, high ground clearance, engine guard, comfortable seat, and rugged body panels make the motorcycle look capable on both city roads and mountain trails. At the rear, the compact LED tail light and stylish indicators complete the modern retro design. Power is expected to come from an improved 334 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine. The engine should deliver smooth performance, better refinement, and strong low-end torque for city riding and weekend adventures. The 6-speed gearbox is expected to provide smooth gear shifts while helping riders enjoy highway cruising with less engine stress. One of the biggest improvements could be better engine refinement. Earlier, Yezdi models received criticism for vibrations, but recent updates have already made the engine smoother. The 2027 model is expected to continue this improvement. Performance should be exciting. Whether you are riding through city traffic, open highways, or rough village roads, the Scrambler is designed to handle different riding conditions with confidence. Fuel efficiency is also expected to remain practical. Riders can expect around 30 kilometers per liter, depending on riding style and road conditions. Suspension plays a very important role in adventure riding. The motorcycle is expected to feature long travel front forks and rear shock absorbers that can absorb potholes, broken roads, and light off-road trails with ease. Braking performance should remain excellent with front and rear disc brakes supported by dual-channel ABS. Modern safety features are expected to include traction control, multiple ride modes, switchable rear ABS for off-road riding, LED lighting, and a digital instrument cluster showing speed, gear position, trip meter, fuel level, clock, and other important riding information. Comfort has always been one of the strongest points of the Scrambler. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and spacious seat make long-distance riding much easier. Whether you ride for 1 hour or an entire day, comfort remains important. The motorcycle is also expected to offer enough luggage mounting options for touring enthusiasts who enjoy long road trips. The exhaust note is likely to remain deep and sporty, giving the bike a strong adventure character without becoming too loud. In terms of competition, the 2027 Yezdi Scrambler will continue challenging popular motorcycles in the middleweight adventure segment by offering a combination of retro styling, off-road ability, and affordable pricing. Many riders appreciate the Scrambler because it looks different from ordinary motorcycles. It has its own identity and attracts attention wherever it goes. The lightweight chassis should make city riding easier while also improving confidence during off-road adventures. For highway touring, the engine should comfortably maintain cruising speeds while providing enough power for quick overtakes. Technology is becoming increasingly important, so future updates may include Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, USB charging, smartphone integration, and improved display graphics. The riding modes can help riders adjust the motorcycle for different road conditions, whether riding on dry roads, wet roads, or loose gravel. Adventure riders also appreciate strong ground clearance because it allows the motorcycle to cross rocks, speed breakers, and uneven roads without difficulty. The 2027 model is expected to continue offering a balanced combination of comfort, performance, technology, and classic style. If Yezdi also improves long-term reliability and service support, the Scrambler could become an even stronger choice for adventure motorcycle buyers. Overall, the 2027 Yezdi Scrambler looks very promising based on the latest improvements seen in the current generation. It is expected to be smoother, lighter, smarter, and more enjoyable than before. If you are searching for one motorcycle that can handle daily commuting, weekend touring, and light off-road adventures, this could be one of the best options to watch. So what do you think about the upcoming 2027 Yezdi Scrambler? Would you choose it over other adventure motorcycles? Let me know your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting motorcycle reviews and future bike updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.